Hi students, let's continue with the fixed point representation. So in the previous video I had explained about one of the problem, that is arithmetic fixed point, how to calculate it. Now let's see the another problem. Here what they are given. Assume number using 32-bit format. So here we have to represent the binary number in 32-bit format. Remember student, we have to represent it in 32-bit format, which reserve 1 bit for sign bit. So 1 bit is for sign bit and 15 bits is for integer part and 16 bits is for fraction part. Sign bit, integer part and the fraction part. Okay. So anyhow 16 plus 16, 32. Total 32 bits we are getting. Now this is the number they are given. I need to convert this into the binary format, fixed point binary format, and that number I have to represent in a 32-bit format. So now let's see how to solve this problem. What I said. So first convert the integer part into binary format and then convert the fraction part into the binary format, right? So after converting, you just do the negation and then you represent it in a 32-bit format, right? So because this is a 2's complement, minus 43 they are given. So for whatever the number you got, that you need to be complement, right? Now let's work on this. So this is minus 43.625. I need to represent it in a 32-bit format, right? So first bit they are already given it as a sign bit. So that means the sign represent it is 1 bit. The sign bit it is 1. It nothing but it is a sign bit. Now let's take 43. So what is the value of the 43? So convert the 43 into binary format. How you are going to do? 43. So divide with the LCM. 2 ones and then 1 is the remainder and 2. 10, 1 is the remainder and 2, 5 is the 0 is the remainder, 2, 1 is the remainder, 2, 0 is the remainder. So if you go like this, you are getting it as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the 43 value is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here I am just representing, that's it. I am just representing that, okay, value and 625. So that means take the fraction part, 0.625. So the 0.625 you need to multiply with the 2 and you will get 1.25 and take only the fraction part 0.25 into 2 and you get it as 0.5 and take only the fraction part 0.5 into 2 you are getting it as a 1.0. Take only the fraction part, okay, and anyhow 0. Okay, like this you are getting more any number of zeros. So the value that you need to take only the integer parts. The integer parts are 1, 0, 1, 0. So the 0.625, the binary number is 1, 0, 1, 0. Now represent it in the, I'm just representing, I'm not converting anything here. Suppose if you want to convert this complete number into the binary number, what you have to do? You have to take the 43 is the 15 bits, right? The integer part is 15 bits. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So total how many bits here? 6 bits are there. So 15 bits means what? Still how many bits you need to be added? Still how many bits you need to be added? Still you need to add 9 bits. So write 9 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the integer part, 15 bits. This is the 15 bits integer part. Now coming to the fraction part. So the fraction part, what the number they are given? The number they are given it as a 1010. I got 1010 which is a 4 bit. So still how many bits I need to be added? Still I need to add 12 bits. So that 12 plus 4 you are getting it as a 16 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And anyhow 1 bit is a sign bit. So first bit they are given as a sign bit. So I just represent it. That's it. I'm not converting. Suppose if you want exact value of this, what you are going to do? So this is a value you got. Suppose here also you are keeping 1. You are keeping 0. You are keeping 0. And total 16 bits here and 16 bits here. Now what you have to do? You have to do the 2's complement for this number. Because you got the negative number, right? Minus means it's a negative number, you are converting it. But here in this example, I'm just representing the value. They are asked us to assume number 32 bit which reserves 1 bit for the sign bit. So the 1 bit for the sign bit, that is, I'm taking it as a 1, and the remaining all you need to be right here. So the total 15 bits you copied here and total 16 bits you need to be copied here. This is the way you need to be represent, right? Thank you.